To register for Afterpay, start by visiting the Afterpay website or downloading the Afterpay app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have accessed the platform, click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be required to provide some personal details, including your name, email address, and phone number. Ensure that the information you provide is accurate, as it will be used to verify your identity and facilitate future transactions. Next, you will need to create a password for your Afterpay account. Choose a strong and unique password that includes a combination of letters and numbers to protect your account from unauthorized access. Afterpay will then prompt you to add a payment method, which can be a credit or debit card. You will need to provide the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Afterpay uses a credit checking system to assess your eligibility for their services. This check will not affect your credit score, but it will help Afterpay to determine your spending limit. Once you have completed the registration process, you will receive an email from Afterpay to confirm your account. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account and start using Afterpay for your online purchases. It is essential to carefully review the terms and conditions of Afterpay before making any purchases. This will help you to understand the payment schedule, interest rates, and any potential fees associated with late payments. Afterpay is a convenient and flexible payment option that allows you to split your purchases into 4 interest-free installments. By following these steps and understanding the terms and conditions, you can use Afterpay to make online purchases with confidence.